I am curious, why does rain make me feel so sleepy? The sky gets darker, the light goes low. My brain thinks it's time to slow. Less light means more melatonin. That's the chemical that makes you tired. The air feels heavy, pressure drops, your body relaxes without you noticing. And the sound of rain, soft and steady, calms your mind like white noise. So rain doesn't make you lazy, it tells your body you are safe. You can rest at love.